how to use CC, and go to Play Store and search CC and install. Ginagamit ang CC para mag-search tayo ng mga information. And installing. Wait natin siya ma-install. And open natin siya, guys. And use sign in Google account or Facebook. And it's open. Who is the President of the Philippines? Wait natin siya, guys. Yan, lalabas na yung mga information na sinerch ng question.